Hello YouTube, here another review from a lock screen called LS Obient version 1. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but LS Obient is a very nice looking lock screen with a heartbeat thingy going on there around the circle. But inside the circle it shows you if it's day or night, then the day, the place you are, the time, the date, and then how much degrees it's outside. You need Winterboard to enable it. Just go to Winterboard, select Teams, and then enable LS Obient. Also remember, don't know what else you can use, but I have Springtomize. If you go into Springtomize, you go to the lock screen, and then you have to turn on the hide top bar function. And that's it. Read the video description for more information. I see you next time. Bye bye.